YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Well, here in YouTube land, we're going to be flying some drones tonight. And it is tonight because it's around just after 7 p.m. my time in the month of May, the year 2019. So the sun's going down over there. I'm kind of squinting because it's getting low on the horizon. So I have two drones with me tonight. You can probably see them behind me if I go up like this. One is the Phantom 4 Pro Plus. That's the Phantom 4 with the integrated screen. And I also have the XDynamics Evolve. That's the carbon fiber drone that is massive in size. And just to show you a size difference, here, come closer, check this out. So here's the case that comes with the Phantom 4 Pro. Well, actually, I had to buy that case myself. It is extra. But this is the Phantom 4 Pro Plus. Without the case, it would cost you, with one battery, it's going to cost you about $1,800 US if you get the integrated controller like this one is here. And over here we have the XDynamics Evolve, which is going to cost you about $2,500. And I used to think it came with two batteries. It only comes with one battery, unless they're going to change that. So you get but you do get the case with it and this really awesome integrated controller that you'll see. It's pretty cool if you haven't already seen it. Now, I'm not going to do the specs between the two because, well, here, let me just ruin the whole, let me ruin the video for you. Specs. This thing here's got a range of like maybe 6 kilometers, and this has got a range of 1 kilometer. So when DJI says it's 6 kilometers, it really means it's probably more like 5. You know, that's what you're going to get pretty much guaranteed. And when XDynamics says the Evolve is 1 kilometer, it means you're going to get less than 1 kilometer. And the same as for the battery time over here, the Phantom is supposed to get you about 30 minutes of flight time. So that means you get about 20 minutes or 25 minutes of flight time. And over here, the Evolve says it'll get you 20 minutes of flight time. So you're probably going to get about 15 minutes of flight time. Now, the reason I have both of these out here tonight is because, well, the camera is on them. So the Phantom 4 Pro Plus has a 1-inch sensor. It's got a aperture, a mechanical shutter. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got a really good camera. And the Evolve has none of that, but the Evolve's got a really nice lens on it, and it's a larger camera, but the sensor is smaller. In the Phantom, the sensor is larger. But in my tests of flying the Evolve, I think the camera's pretty darn good. You know, everything seems to work out. So I'm just going to fly them side by side over here. Try not to crash them into each other, because knowing my luck. Anyways, I'm going to fly them side by side, put the camera on, and check out the image, and you can decide. All right, you can see we have both drones over here. I've got the XDynamics on the huge freewheel landing pad, and I've got the Phantom 4 Pro Plus on the much smaller freewheel landing pad. These are the low noise props right here. Now I'm going to say ahead of time that even with the low noise props, this thing is friggin' noisy, and this is friggin' noisy. So the two of them together, it's going to be pretty darn noisy out here. I should wake the dead. Okay, Phantom 4 Pro has the better battery life, so it's going up first. So that's the Phantom 4 Pro, kind of noisy. Now we're going to take this beast up. Here we go. How's that noise? So that's what an Evolve and a Phantom look like. Let me bring the Evolve closer with the Phantom. It's just freaking massive. Look at it. There it is up there, and there's the Phantom over here. Wow. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. I'm looking at the controllers here. You can see the displays. They're equally as bright. I'm looking in the sun, so it's kind of hard with the glare, but can you see the displays, how bright they are? There you go. So actually, I would say that the Pro Plus looks a little brighter than that of the Evolve, but I can see so much more on the Evolve controller than I can on the Pro Plus. Okay, both drones are rather steady out there, and I think I'm in the center of the shot for both. I'm looking at the controllers. I look like I'm right. So how do I look? I'm wearing a blue jean jacket. I've got a GoPro on my head, black baseball cap. I've got my Captain Drone t-shirt on. It's got a red X. So how do the colors look? Do you see the red X? You know, the drones are far away. Here, let me bring the drones a little closer. Do not adjust your set. This thing is really that massive. Put it over there. Aim it at me. I think looking at both, we're about the same. All right, so the Evolve has a wider field of view than the actual Phantom 4, but there you go. Once again, here I am. You can see my shirt. It is extremely loud. These things are just buzzing away. And the sun is low in the horizon. The sun is, I'm pointing at the sun, it's right over there, so it might shoot some sort of weird shadow on me. But there you go. So there's the camera quality from both. They're both shooting at 4K, 30 frames per second. And they're both quite steady in the air. It is a bit breezy out here. All right, so I'm gonna take these drones farther up and farther away and we'll see what it looks like. Here, I've got the Phantom looking down at the Evolve as it goes up. There we go, both drones are looking down at me. They're up at 22 meters height and I should be a little speck down here. And how does it look? You know, I'll move around. I'm moving this way. How's the image? It should be super stable, super perfect. Actually, you know, that looks good on my controller here. I have the Evolve coming straight at me here. So I just have to watch out for it so it doesn't fly into me. Here it comes. I'll just stop it before it hits my head. And I'll do the same with the Phantom. It's coming close, coming close. And I'll put the brakes on. That is such a big drone. All right. Going backwards, same shot. Doing backwards now. Here comes the Phantom straight at me. You can see the Phantom, the props get in the frame when it goes straight forward. And stop. And take it backwards. It's okay when it goes backwards, but when you go forward, you sort of get the props a little bit in the frame. So to fix that, you just keep the camera down a little bit. The Evolve can actually look up. So there's the Phantom. Let me just get the camera on it. And let me take the camera up. So I can almost fly underneath the Phantom. Look at that. That's a cool shot. Let me bring it up higher. Low battery. Hear that? That's my low battery warning. Shooting this looking into the sun. So I was correct. I don't know if you could see this on my little display. I got a low battery warning at 15 minutes. So I was bang on. See this little 15, it's counting down. So it's telling me, you hear that sound? It's saying beep, beep, beep. And on the screen it says low battery warning. Oh, it's landing itself at 15 minutes. There we go. So there we go, on my little display, I don't know if you can see it, it says I flew for 15 minutes and looks like 1 or 10 seconds, I'm not sure. Oh, and it says I have a firmware update right here. I gotta check that out later. Okay, this is going nuts here, guys. Now I got a low battery warning on my Phantom. Now the Phantom is going low. My God, what is this, low battery warning night? All right, so let me bring it back. It says you gotta bring this drone back. So bring it back for landing. So this here battery says I'm at 26%, and it says I was flying. This thing flew for 19 minutes and I got a low battery warning, and this thing here flew for just 15 minutes and I got a low battery warning. All right, so final little video test. I have both drones out there. The sun's right there. I don't know if you can see them, and I'm gonna spin them about 15 degrees so they look directly at the sun, and let's see what the image looks like. So here we go. See if I can watch and do this together. There we go. I think they're both looking at the sun. Let's see. All right, there's the Evolve. The sun's right over there. There's the Phantom. There we go. And the sun's right over there. All right. So I'll just hop in front, see if my head pops up. I am blind from looking at the sun. Can you even see me in the Phantom? I'm out here. The sun's behind me. Do I even show up? Let me go try it over here with the Evolve. Can you see me in the Evolve? With the Evolve? You know, sun's behind me. Do I even show up? I got a white controller here. And back over to the Phantom. Get out here. Do you see me? All right, let's bring them home. Nice little landing. Oh, props are a little too strong. So guys, what do you think? That pretty much ends this here review. So let me just bring my little GoPro up. I thought the images that I saw on the display of the controllers looked exceptional. Now, of course, when I get home and I put the little micro SD cards in my computer and check out the video, I might have a different opinion, but right now they looked exceptional. I don't edit anything, I don't color correct anything, so what I'm going to show you, or what you already saw, is basically everything right out of the camera. If you bought any of these and you flew in exactly the same place I was right now with this terrible lighting, that's what you would get. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. This, once again, was not one of those videos where I say one is better than the other. Hey, these are just two drones that are on the market, you know, and I think they both have really good cameras. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.